Je m'appelle Aru. I'm Aru Mera, and I am calling you from this beautiful city called Lyon. Word cinema, it comes from the word cinematograph. Cinematograph, and a cinematograph, that means cinematography, is a French. Actually, it's a French word. Basically, these Lumiere brothers, they were two brothers called Lumiere brothers, and they actually had a photo studio, and they were the ones who actually discovered or invented cinematography. So it was the silk capital of the world. Still, the silk, which is very fine, which is used in rockets and aeroplanes and industries, is manufactured here. And there are universities here who actually give masters and PhDs in silk because they have the technology. This is a pubelle, which is waste management. You see all these wastes here. So they have a very good waste management system here. So they will have 3 boxes like these. And in one box, they put their biodegradable things. In one box, they will put plastic and plastics bottles and etc. And in the third one, they will put bottles, the glasses. You see Carrefour written there? Carrefour City?
Yes, sir.
So the opening hours are written here. 7h à 22h. So which means that in France, you don't have the AM and PM concept. Here people, even kids don't speak, say suppose they have to say 8 a.m. I go to school at 8 a.m. They will not say 8 a.m. They will say 8h. Now this shop welcomes you with this frog. Now this frog is made of a vegetable. Can you tell me which vegetable is this?
Sir, capsicum.
The frog welcomes you. Vous êtes les bienvenus. So it is welcoming you. I'm just getting into the shop. And you see a small dog here. Can you see a small dog? Yeah, so French people, they love their dogs. They have a lot of pets. So what is it that the French people eat? Now, so you have this tamboul. It is you have this salad, a lot of salad. You have even the Starbucks cafe, cappuccino and all that thing. You have some tarts. So yes, all these things, and see you have those salads, different salads. So this is basically people, and you have sandwiches. You have sandwiches, different kinds of sandwiches. So this is what the people actually. You have burgers. You have vegetarian. See, it's written here, love veggie. So when you come to France, you also get vegetarian food. Okay, tell me, what is this?
Lychee.
It's called lychee. This lychee comes from where? Which country?
South Africa.
You know what is this?
Pear.
Pears. Yes. Pears come from
Italy.
This is not the mango season, but the mango are here. Like you see those mangoes, and the mango, they come from
Peru.
France. Doesn't have they don't produce ginger, and ginger it comes from
China.
Yeah, gingembre comes from Chine. From these are called fruit passion, the passion fruit, and they come from Vietnam. A citron or lemon, and the lemon come from
Brazil.
Can you tell me what is this?
Sir, aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Yes. Aloe vera comes from which country?
Spain.
So French people eat a lot of these salad. You know, for them, salad is not cutting some cucumber and onions and serving them. Salad means a lot of vegetables, and one of the vegetable which they use is this, which the name of this is salad itself. Tell me this vegetable. What is this vegetable?
Jacqueline.
Yes, jacuni. Jacuni is called courgette. This is milk with blue casket, and then you have milk with the red casket, and then you have milk with the brown casket. The French has sweet tooth. lot of them eat a lot of kind of sweet made of, say, fruits. These are sweets made of fruits. Then you have sweets which called mousse chocolat, the section of beurre. So the butter, this is a section of butter. So you have President as a famous French butter brand. You have a big vegetarian section because a lot of French people in the last 10 years, they have turned vegan. And this is the cheese section. And I will show you some of the cheeses which is very famous here. For example, you have this cheese called Camembert. You see Camembert here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Very
sir.
famous cheese. Now, many people who eat Camembert when they come first time in France, they find it very stinky. The smell is very strong for them. The other section that I want to show you is the section which you saw a small dog there. So this is a section where you have animal food. For example, here people also have hamsters at their home. Like I have a rabbit at my home. So apart from the dogs and cat food, you have hamster food, you have what you call the rabbit food, lapin is called in French. So this is a section which is you like, is a pizza section. Nestle, as you see, the Nestle which makes Maggie. Maggie they don't sell here, but then Nestle is a French company. This is the long bread is called baguette.
Long
And-
French bread.
Yeah, this bag is called baguette. But you don't have only baguette. You have these kind of fat breads, small bread, big bread, all kinds of bread. And many of these bread prices are controlled by the government because the government wants bread to be accessible to all. And here most of the shops have cafes. So I like cappuccino. And so this is the cafe machine. So you can see this machine here. I'll tell you how to buy a cafe. You have these glasses. So you pick one of these glasses and you put the glass here. So Nescafe, as you can see, it's a Nestle brand. It's a French brand. So Nescafe also sells machine like these. Just put my money here. So I have put my money, and here I then go to this screen, and the screen is going to tell me the options he's going to. So I'm going to go for cappuccino. So I'll say okay. And then the cappuccino will drop here. See? So I take a cappuccino cascade from here. So here in France, everything is self-service. There are no maids in the homes. Also, there are no maids. Everything you have to do on your own. So my cappuccino is almost ready, and I am going to take my cappuccino, and then I am going to put the cascade on the top of it here like this. Okay, my cappuccino is ready. Now I am going out. You have this shop called, you see what's written here?
Pinatel.
So I'll show you what they get. You see what is inside?
Different types of meats.
Different types of meat. And what is a meat shop called? What is a meat shop called in French? Boucherie. It's called boucherie. This is the building on my right, and the main building is on my left. You see the big building here?
Yes.
Basically, a mairie has a very important part in the life of the French people because it takes care of all the marriage and death registration, the social security, and also the education.
How do the schools look in France?
The school are very big schools are there, and every school, because you see a piscine there, yes, there's a swimming pool there. Every school has a swimming pool, and here the middle school students, it's obligatory for them to learn swimming. And here there is a concept that for 7 weeks they will study. After 7 weeks of study, they will have 2 weeks of holidays.
Second language taught in our Indian schools is English. What is the second language taught in France schools?
They learn everything in French. English is a language, but apart from English, you have Spanish, you have any European language, you even have Arabic, you have European languages. So you have to, just like you have a 3 language formula, there also they learn 3 languages. One is French, which is like Hindi. Then they have English, of course, English is there, and then they learn one European language or one Oriental language, which means Arabic or anything which is Russian or Chinese or Japanese.
Sir, what they do in school, the school hours, was in such a long time?
Okay, very good question. Very good question. So
Sir?
what they do is, for example, in the morning they will have their studies. Then around 12 they will have their lunch time. So one hour is lunch break. Then after the lunch break they have their lessons again, and then they have their cultural activities, sports and cultural activities. So that those are of 2 hours. From 3 to 5 they will have their cultural and sports activities, and then they at around 5:30 they leave the school. And au revoir, ciao.